Good morning, everyone. Today, May 19th, 2022. Now we come back with the stock market overview. It's reporting by Ne7tv and in Nebraska, USA. So we can see on the US dollars first, it's going down a little bit. That's awesome. So especially like energy moving around 104 to 103, it's going down. It's more than 2%. The stock market is going to be much better when the oil is going down around 100, 101. So financial has powered up 30 ticks. That's good, but right now it's called stock blooding, and the gold trading up a little bit. Yep, especially Nikkei, not much big deal though. So we can see SP 500 drop back 4%. That's mean 165 points, and SP 100 4.2%, 77 point, and Dow Jones lost over 1,000 points, 1,164 points. So NASDAQ lost over 500, 566 points. Every of them lost most of them like 3 or 4%, everything. So especially today, utility, healthcare, energy, financial, real estate, material, communication service, industrial, information technology, consumer stability, and consumer directionary. So all of them losing around 1 to 6%. That's really general in the economy for today. Economy data look a little swing down today. So when you can see all of them kind of drop a little bit, just SB 500 VIX is a little tiny up, and the T-Note a little tiny up, but especially crude oil is like swing down. The natural gas went down, it's gold and silver's up. So corn, wheat is down, but soybeans up. And sugar and coffee is down. So especially Tesla this morning is going to be dropped to under $700 for a share, and we bought in a 701. Even though someone's 705, 708, you got really good price right now. Just focus on that. Especially Apple, AMD, and Amazon, NVDA, TGH, Microsoft, Facebook, Walmart, and all of them, the big brand name is going to swing down a lot today because market flooding. So this one is to show the stock have a really high V2. AMD stayed with $142 million trading yesterday. It's been 2 weeks. It stayed on the top. Over $120 million every day. Sometimes they jump up to 200. That's pretty good. And under that is NU. That's 120. And F and BBIG on that one too. And VDA. And NIO. So NLY. AGRI. ITUB. And the lowest one is NVDA. Those special one is V2, and like one day people trade over $100 million. $100 million. So why don't we get some from it? The profit is so huge. That's mean the rotation on the market is very high. And based on this, let's see what's going on for today, but based on this one is whatever stock in this list will make pretty good profit for today. Especially today, we focus on one of the stock in this list. So it's going to be one of F. That's one of the three we sent out for everyone today. And now we go ahead and take a look on the first one. What is this? BBAI, Big Beer Dog AI. It's like right now it's 9.5, but buy them exactly the number about 7.5 to $7, because it's going to be dropped back. Because if we catch that one, it's right, and we got pretty good profits. We're not stuck on. So highest one is 16, lowest one 4. And one day they can move around 7.44 to 9.73. It's been over $2 for this small cheap stock, just $9 a share. You should buy like about 7.5, 0.6. That's good enough. And you can see this is the most popular stock. We collect a lot of money. That's a Ford company, Ford Motors. So, and this trading is like over $68 million. At least 40 some to 80 some every day. And especially $51 million is the cap, and 25 is the highest one, and 11.85 is the lowest one. And one day they can rank around 12.71 to 13.36. That's mean about 60 some cents. So anyway, 60 some cents, you just need to cash them around $20. You know, like right now. Yesterday, a lot of my student buys around $13 and 12.9, 12.8, even though 12.7, they just set them that order. But usually, they caught them around, the average is going to be around 70 some, 80 some. Even though over 13, you still make good profit on this one. And this one going to sell straight up from 13.3, 0.4 or 0.2. That'd be good. So the third one for today is Honda HMC is 24.6, 0.7 and 0.8, something like that. When we buy it, I have to keep them around 24.6. So highest one is $33 and lowest one is 24.4, and right, you know, like 24.5 is pretty good. And that's what I say is buy around 26, 24.6, 0.7, and the highest one is 25.04, and the cap is 43.3 billion dollar. And this main company in Tokyo, Japan, is really long time company on the vehicle market. So it's over 211,000 people work for them. That's mean if we add up the contractors, be 230,000 people work for them, and they collect really good profit, earnings, the EQ, and the revenues. Especially everyone knows the Honda is one of the really famous brand name in Japanese vehicle, and it's been out there so much and not many big problem. and it lasts pretty well as their stock based on the start of the year. You can tell how value is that. And thank